Here's something that might shock you. Most people using AI tools right now are doing it completely wrong. They're missing fundamental strategies that could transform their productivity overnight. I recently invested 5 hours and $49 in Google's AI Essentials course, and what I discovered will change how you think about artificial intelligence forever. Let me share 5 game-changing insights that separate AI beginners from power users. Plus, I'll tell you whether this certification is actually worth your time and money. The first breakthrough concept involves understanding the 3 distinct categories of AI tools available today. This knowledge alone will revolutionize your approach to choosing the right AI solution for any task. Standalone AI tools represent the first category. These are independent software applications that work right out of the box without requiring integration with other systems. Think of popular chatbots like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Perplexity. Specialized applications like Otter for transcription, Midjourney for image generation, and Gamma for presentations also fall into this category. Despite serving completely different purposes, they share one key characteristic. You can access them directly through websites or apps without needing additional software. The second category consists of tools with integrated AI features. These are existing software platforms that have embedded AI capabilities within their interface. For example, when you're working in Google Docs, you can either copy your text to a standalone tool like ChatGPT for improvements, or you can use the built-in Gemini for workspace feature. Similarly, instead of using Midjourney as a standalone image generator, you can create visuals directly within Google Slides using integrated AI features. Custom AI solutions form the third category. And here's where things get really interesting. These are tailor-made applications designed to solve specific problems. Johns Hopkins University developed a custom AI system exclusively for detecting sepsis in patients. The results were remarkable. Diagnostic accuracy jumped from a baseline of 2 to 5% to an impressive 40% average. Now, you might think custom AI solutions require extensive technical knowledge. Actually, the opposite is true. Well-designed custom solutions should be user-friendly for non-technical people. During my sales career, I managed over 200 clients quarterly. Researching each one individually was incredibly time-consuming. Today, custom AI solutions can analyze information about all 200 clients, considering factors like seasonality, historical data, and industry trends. Then rank them by likelihood of needing assistance. This helps salespeople prioritize their time effectively. Here's a money-saving tip. Don't purchase Google's AI Essentials course separately. I discovered after paying that you receive the AI Essentials course free when you enroll in Google's project management certification through Coursera. This certification has become the gold standard for project management skills, which are applicable across all industries and roles. The second major insight focuses on prompt engineering, specifically surfacing implied context. This technique dramatically improves AI output quality. Consider this scenario. Your vegetarian friend asks for restaurant recommendations. You instinctively suggest vegetarian-friendly options, even though they didn't explicitly mention dietary restrictions. The fact that your friend is vegetarian represents implied context that you naturally understand but must explicitly state when communicating with AI tools. Another example involves negotiating a salary raise. In your mind, you know you received a 10% increase last year. You're the highest performer on your team, and the industry average is 12%. You're considering asking for 15%. However, if you don't provide this implied context when asking AI for negotiation strategies, you'll receive generic advice instead of personalized, strategic guidance. The third insight involves understanding when to use zero-shot versus few-shot prompting. The term shot simply refers to examples provided in your prompt. Zero-shot prompting means providing no examples. A zero-shot prompt might be, "Write me a pickup line for dating apps," though this is purely hypothetical for educational purposes. One-shot prompting includes a single example. The same prompt would become, "Write me a pickup line for dating apps," referencing the successful example my friend used, followed by the specific example. Few-shot prompting provides 2 or more examples. You'd include multiple successful pickup lines as reference points. The more relevant examples you provide, the more targeted and useful the AI output becomes. This principle applies to any task where you want specific style, tone, or format preferences reflected in the results. The fourth game changer is chain of thought prompting for complex tasks. This technique involves breaking large tasks into smaller, manageable steps, helping language models produce more accurate and consistent results. Let's compare 2 approaches to writing a cover letter. Option 1 involves sharing your resume and job description with AI, then simply requesting a complete cover letter. Option 2 uses chain of thought prompting by breaking the task into steps. Step 1 would be, based on my resume and job description, write an attention-grabbing hook for my cover letter. After reviewing and tweaking the hook, Step 2 involves pasting it back and requesting the body paragraph. You repeat this process for each section. This methodical approach produces significantly better results because you're guiding the AI through logical progression rather than expecting it to handle everything simultaneously. The fifth crucial insight involves understanding AI limitations. There are 3 primary constraints you must consider. First, underlying training data may contain biases. If an image generation model was trained primarily on minimalistic graphics, it might struggle to produce bold, flashy designs because it lacks diverse visual examples. Second, insufficient information exists in training data for certain topics. Many AI models have knowledge cutoff dates, so recent events or emerging trends may not be adequately covered. Third, hallucinations occur when AI generates factually incorrect information. Sometimes this is beneficial during creative brainstorming, but it becomes problematic for high-stakes tasks like health advice or financial decisions. Always verify AI outputs for critical applications. Now let's discuss who should and shouldn't take this course. If you're already using AI tools like ChatGPT and Gemini daily and want advanced, specific use cases, this course isn't for you. The examples provided are somewhat vague. For instance, they mention a company using AI to reduce customer service response times, but don't explain whether they use standalone tools or custom solutions, how they train staff, or how they prevented hallucinations in customer interactions. However, this course excels as a beginner-level introduction for 3 compelling reasons. First, you're learning from Google employees who are established AI experts, not random internet personalities. Their credibility and expertise shine through every lesson. Second, the visual learning approach is exceptional. Complex topics are explained through simple graphics and analogies. They compare AI tools and models to cars and engines. The model provides underlying capabilities like an engine, while the tool helps you complete tasks like a car. Third, interactive elements genuinely enhance learning. The activities and homework assignments are thoughtfully designed to reinforce key concepts from each lesson. Graded assignments aren't trivial. They're primarily multiple choice, but require attention to achieve the 80% passing score. Additionally, the course provides a curated list of beginner-friendly AI tools and includes a glossary of common AI terms that are becoming prevalent in daily conversation. This course is perfect for beginners, visual learners, and anyone wanting a legitimate certificate to enhance their professional profile. The AI revolution is happening whether you're prepared or not. These 5 insights represent foundational knowledge that will serve you throughout your career as AI becomes increasingly integrated into every industry and role. Understanding the 3 categories of AI tools helps you choose the right solution for each task. Surfacing implied context dramatically improves your prompt quality. Knowing when to use zero-shot versus few-shot prompting optimizes your results. Chain of thought prompting tackles complex projects effectively. Recognizing AI limitations prevents costly mistakes and ensures responsible usage. If you found these insights valuable, subscribe for more practical AI strategies that actually work in the real world. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos where I break down complex topics into actionable steps you can implement immediately. Your future self will thank you for staying ahead of the AI curve instead of getting left behind.